Have you ever held on to something that hurt you? A person, a memory, a mistake, even when it broke your heart. You still refused to let it go. What if I told you? The pain you feel today is not because of what happened to you, but because of what you are still holding inside. Today's story will teach you one simple truth. Letting go is not weakness. Letting go is power. This story may change how you see pain forever. There was a man named Armin asterisk. Armin was quiet, hardworking, and always tired. Not because he worked too much, but because his heart carried too much. He smiled in front of people, but when he was alone, his mind replayed old memories again and again. Words that hurt him, people who left him, dreams that failed. Armin believed one thing: if I let go, I will lose everything. But he didn't know. He was already losing himself. Every morning, Armin felt heavy. Not in his body, in his chest. He carried anger he never spoke, pain he never shared, hope he never released. Others moved forward in life, but Armin felt stuck. He asked himself many times, why am I not happy like others? But he never asked the real question. Why am I holding what hurts me? One day, while washing his hands, Armin noticed an old scar on his arm. It reminded him of a wound from many years ago. The wound was gone, but the scar remained. And suddenly he understood something. The pain was no longer there, but he still remembered it every day. Just like his life. One evening, Armin sat alone in a park. An old man sat beside him. The old man asked gently, "Son, why do you look so tired?" Armin replied, "I am tired of life." The old man smiled softly and said, "No, you are tired of holding." The old man picked up a stone and placed it in Armin's hand. "Hold this," he said. Minutes passed. The stone felt heavier. The old man asked, "Does the stone hurt you?" Armin said, "No, but my hand hurts." The old man replied, "Pain does not come from the stone. Pain comes from how long you hold it asterisk." Armin felt silent. The old man continued, "You are holding anger. You are holding regret. You are holding people who already left. Life is not punishing you," the old man said. "You are punishing yourself." That night, Armin could not sleep. For the first time, he questioned his pain. In his dreams, Armin entered a room. The room was full of boxes. Each box had a name: failure, betrayal, fear, guilt. He tried to carry all of them. He fell. A voice said, "You cannot move forward with your hands full." The next morning, Armin did something new. He sat quietly. He closed his eyes. And he said softly, "I release what I cannot change." At first it felt scary. Then it felt light. Not perfect, but lighter. Some days the pain returned. Armin wanted to give up, but he remembered the stone. He learned something important. Letting go is not a one-time act. It is a daily choice. Every day he chose peace over pain. One day, someone from Armin's past returned. Old emotions tried to wake up. Anger knocked. Sadness followed. But this time, Armin did not react. He breathed, and he let the moment pass. That day, Armin felt something new. Control. People noticed Armin was different. Calmer, stronger, more confident, not because life became easy, but because his heart became free. He no longer begged for closure. He created it. Armin met the old man again. He thanked him. The old man said, "Remember this, son. You don't let go because you are weak. You let go because you are ready to live." Letting go does not mean forgetting, losing, giving up. Letting go means choosing peace, protecting your mind, respecting your future. Armin still faced problems, but they no longer lived inside him. He walked forward, lighter, wiser, stronger. He finally understood. You don't heal by holding on. You heal by releasing. If you are listening to this right now, and your heart feels heavy, this message is for you. Stop holding what is hurting you. Stop carrying what is not yours anymore. You deserve peace. You deserve growth. You deserve freedom. Let go not because you lost, but because you are ready to win. Your life begins the moment you release the pain.